Right, in this segment, I just want to test out the volume output of the earbuds. Right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna be using my lavalier mic, and I'm actually gonna be putting it pretty near to the earbuds. All right, so I've actually positioned the earbuds. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna show you the volume level here. So it's currently around 50%. Okay, and I'm just gonna start playing. Music is currently playing. So do let me know if you can actually hear any audio through the lavalier mic, which is this one. Alright, so do let me know in the comment section below. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be increasing the volume up to 60%. Now the volume is currently at 60%, so do let me know if you can actually hear anything through the lavalier mic. Upping to 70% right now. Okay, so do let me know if you can hear anything through the lavalier mic. Now I'm actually getting a warning, it's a high level. I'm going to press OK. Now it's currently at 80% or 75%. I think this is 75%. Yep, this is actually 75%. Right, so do let me know if you can actually hear anything through the lavalier mic. Okay, so this is currently at 80%. Do let me know if you can actually hear anything. Next, I'll go all the way to 90%. So currently the volume is at 90%. Do let me know if you can actually hear anything. And by the way, I'm actually about 20 to 30 centimeters away from the earbuds. I can actually hear some noise from the earbuds actually right now. Next, I'm just going to go up to maximum volume, which is 100%. So do let me know if you can actually hear anything from the microphone. Right. Okay, so I'm going to pause. In fact, at 100% volume, I can actually hear the music pretty clearly, including the female singer and what they're actually singing. So at 100%, the volume output from the earbuds is actually very, very loud. Alright, so this has actually been a simple test on the volume output of the XT62.